Welcome to the upscale Gray Oaks neighborhood, a highly sought-after area. This stunning 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home offers luxury with its numerous upgrades and high-end finishes. Enjoy time with the family in an open-concept living area with hardwood and tile flooring, vaulted ceilings, and a stone fireplace. The large dining area opens to a chef's dream kitchen featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a grand island. The master suite has a tray ceiling, a sizable barn door walk-in closet, and a luxurious bathroom with dual vanity. The upstairs has 3 generously sized bedrooms with large closets and another full bathroom. The finished daylight basement offers a 5th bedroom, wet bar, rec area, and storage is not a problem with the spacious storage area just off of the recreation area. Enjoy the outdoors year-round with the large backyard, deck with gazebo, and covered front porch. The heated 4-car garage has pull-down ladder access to additional attic storage. For more information on this great home, call Tim Tower today.